In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can play Pixels game on your PC. So if you want to play this game, first of all, what you want to do is you're going to go ahead and open any browser in your system. Then you're going to type into the search box for Pixels game and then hit enter. After that, you should be able to see here the first link of Pixels.xyz. So you're going to click on that. And once you do so, you should be able to see here this kind of interface. In here, you're going to click on play for free option. And once you do so, they'll ask you to create your account. So if you want to create your account from your phone number or email, you're going to go with the first option. After that, I'm going to recommend you to go with email. For this, you're going to click on the third option, which is email. And once you do so, you're going to type in here your email address. Once you click on submit, they're going to send you a verification code on your email. So you're going to open another tab and then you're going to open your email over there. If you don't have received your verification code, you can again go to the first tab and then click on create new account. And after that, go to your email again. Then you should be able to see here your verification code. So you're going to copy and paste this code over here. After that, in order to play this game, the main thing you're going to do is follow the instructions of the in-game characters. The first character we have is Barney. So you can just read out here the instructions given by this character, and after that, you're going to do the same. The first thing we have is our inventory at the lower side of your screen. So you should be able to see here all of your items over here. First of all, we have is a seed. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to click on this farm to plant this seed. Once you have done a specific task, you're going to move to your in-game character to get more instructions. You can do this by using your keyboard keys. So once you click on your character, it's going to give you the new instructions, and then you should be able to have another thing in your inventory at the lower side of your screen. So you're going to get that again, and then do it as the character says you to do. Similarly, after each task, you're going to move to your in-game character, click on that, and then get new instructions. And every time you will be having a new item in your inventory at the lower side of your screen. So to use that, you're just going to click on that item and then do as per the instructions. Now we have a shear to cut down our plant. So we're going to move to your plant again, pick the shear, and then use it on our plant. As you can see here that our first task has been completed. So we're going to move to the character again and click on it to get new instructions. In the similar way, you can play and complete this game.